How to transfer money from Phantom to bank account. If you have crypto in your Phantom wallet that you want to withdraw and cash out, we'll use a crypto exchange like Coinbase. Start by downloading Coinbase from the App Store or Play Store, creating an account, and then tapping on Transfer at the bottom right of the home page. Click on Receive Crypto. Search for the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, in this case, Solana, and copy the address. Then, go back to your Phantom wallet. Tap on Send at the top, select the crypto you're sending, paste the address, and make sure it's correct to avoid losing your crypto. Choose the amount to send, click Next, review the details, and tap Send. Once it arrives in Coinbase, click on Buy and Sell at the bottom left, then Sell Crypto for Cash. Select the token, Solana in this case, enter the amount or tap Sell All, choose where to sell it to, such as your GBP wallet, and confirm your decision by tapping Sell Now. Afterward, click Transfer in the bottom right and select Withdraw Cash. Choose your wallet, enter the amount, and select your bank account as the transfer method. Finally, tap Preview and then Withdraw Cash to complete the transaction. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.